Welcome to Adventures with Captain Ray Kelly. On this adventure, we head down to Florida, and we're going to see part 2 of the tornado that hit North Palm Beach. Here we are, we're at the aftermath of the tornado. The tornado touched down right behind me, and obviously, look at the damage is still there. Anyway, we're going to send the drone up, take a look at it, give you a bird's eye view. I was going to send the drone up, but it was way too windy to fly a drone today. But just take a look at the devastation. Later in the day, I was able to send the Mavic 3 up. As I was leaving Ground Zero, I spotted WPTV and I met reporter Brianna and her cameraman. Later in the day, the wind calmed down and I was able to fly the Mavic 3. I sent the Mavic 3 up by the Statuary that was totally destroyed by the tornado. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel now. And if you hit the little bell, you'll be notified of our newly released videos. As I was flying my drone, WPTV News showed up again, and Ashleigh Walters, one of my favorite reporters, did a live. But as you can see, this statuary was totally destroyed. I felt so bad for the owner. Ashleigh did a great job covering this event, as did the other reporters. WPTV is one of the best news stations in the country. I'll close the videos with a few photos of the day, and hopefully the victims will recover and be more prosperous than ever. And as always, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to watch my weekly live stream on Mondays at 6 p.m. Eastern. And let's get kids hooked on drones, not drugs.